Hello, my name is Shua, and I am the founder and host of podcast called Lightupwithshua. This podcast is about conscious living and parenting. There will be other themes that I will explore, such as intercultural, interfaith, mindfulness, and so on. So please visit the website www.lightupwithshua.com and the YouTube channel to learn more about the upcoming programs. Let me share a bit more about the show. I am interviewing people from all walks of life and backgrounds, and that should be something interesting and exciting for you all. So, you can listen to the podcast on YouTube, iTunes, SoundCloud, TuneIn Radio, and there is a Facebook page for the podcast as well. So, I would say, find the links that you like and go and subscribe. And there are links on Twitter and LinkedIn also. So please go and listen and subscribe. And lastly, coming up soon, you will be able to watch my interviews on the Groton channel, YouTube, and other channels. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the podcast Light Up with Shua. Thank you.